G'day, welcome back to Garage Bliss TV. I'm Jamie, and you can find us at customgaragecabinets.com.au. We're in beautiful Coogee today. Awesome workplace, overlooking the beach. But we did get some work done today, and we've done a massive install here. This is 2,800 mil high, massive storage system here. It is our sliding door shelving system, and the customer wanted some shoe racks put in. We put a huge amount of shelving in here for shoes. That'll gobble up an enormous amount of shoes. If we come in here, we'll open them up, and as typical with our custom garage cabinets system, we can go exceptionally wide because all our shelves have stiffening rods or panels put in place, so your shelves going to bend or move. We'll open it up here. Huge amount of storage. Excellent storage unit. So you can find Shannon or myself on customgaragecabinets.com.au. Shannon covers the Newcastle and Hunter Valley area, and I'm obviously down here in Sydney. You can find us on customgaragecabinets.com.au. Contact Shannon directly on Hunter Glazing Joinery or myself at Garage Blitz. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day today. Cheers.